Good morning and welcome to Momentum Global Matters. My name is Ray Mere and I'm Head of Investment Distribution here at Momentum. With me in studio is my colleague, Kapil Joshi, who's the Head of Momentum Collective Investment Schemes. So Kapil, what do you think of our new three-dimensional studio here?
I think it's amazing, and I love how Momentum Investments has embraced the future with our events in the last 12 months. For all of you watching at home, let me tell you a little secret. None of this is real. Not the plants, not the couches, not the walls, the floors, or the ceilings. Ray, should we show them where we really are?
Why not? For everybody tuned in today, we have an incredible lineup of investment experts from around the world who will be sharing their insights and views about the past 12 months and also the road ahead.
But before we get to our first speaker, just a few things for all of you to note. Not only did we build our new beautiful virtual studio, we thought it also needed a home. You're watching this from our brand new Momentum Investments events website. This website has a couple of really neat features. At the top of the landing page, you will see that we give you access to our agenda, profiles for each of our speakers, and a great way to navigate this conference.
In addition to that, our download section has links to all the presentations, information packs from all our presenters, and links to video content you might find interesting. As we move into the future, this website will continue to grow and become your home for investment information. Our investment specialists are on hand to answer any questions you may have during the event, so please post your questions in the chat box for us to respond to them. If you need any more information regarding our capabilities or investment solutions, please request a callback and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Kapil, shall we get the show on the road?
Let's do that.
Joining us in studio is Jeanette Marais, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Momentum Investments. She's going to talk about our business and how the world has become a truly global village.
Thank you, Ray. I am privileged to welcome you to our annual Global Matters 2021 event. It's always a privilege to have you join us at our conferences. A year ago, most of us still thought that COVID-19 would soon be a thing of the past. But what an effect it had on the global economy and on each of us, from the way we work and engage to how we see the world. Zoom became a verb, and you're on mute, something you hear every day. Dressing up for the office sometimes meant fancy on top with jeans and sneakers below the screen. Virtual conferences allowed for more inclusion, and more than 700 delegates from all over the world participated in MGIM's first virtual think tank last year. While we all long to get back to human contact, we know that even once COVID-19 has left us, the world will continue to work in new and innovative ways. We pride ourselves on always keeping our finger on the pulse of the way the world is moving, and so we welcome you to this very first broadcast in our own brand new virtual studio. If the last year has taught us anything, it is that innovation and incredible ideas are truly going to be the wave of our future. For us, investing is personal. We've engaged with you in the past year and also conducted research about human behavior in difficult times, which the COVID-19 pandemic and the market crash in 2020 certainly were. Asking the right questions is just as important as giving the correct advice. We will be asking and addressing some of those critical questions in the discussions today. You will hear about the markets, get an overview of financial planning and advice, how to choose global partners, and hear about our behavioral research on advice, noise, and blind spots. We are very grateful that in a time where some businesses had to close their doors, we have business results that we are proud of. And on top of that, we have more supporting advisors than ever before in our history. On that note, I want to thank all of you, our partners and advisors, attending the event today and who have been and still are supporting us. Without you, we will not be able to provide the personal solutions to our clients, our reason for being. Our goal is to help advisors in their practices, not only as a business that provides a platform or as an investment manager, but as a true partner to advisors and to your businesses. What is deemed as professional has changed. COVID-19 encouraged us and demanded us to shift our focus to softer issues. Often, we focus so much on being professional that we forgot to be authentic and real. We had to put ourselves in the shoes of our clients. We had to become personal and even vulnerable. This has changed our future approach to dealing with clients for the better. Being professional will never change, but operating in the virtual world has accentuated the need to be human and for human connection. We realized we have to listen so we can build relationships that enable us to provide personal solutions. We believe in the value of financial advice, and for clients, the need for having an advisor became much more prevalent during 2020. Advisors help clients guide through the storm and noise around them to prevent them from making the wrong decisions based on short-term emotions. Therefore, to us, our increased footprint is the proof that our stakeholders believe in our strategy and our efforts are achieving the results we are chasing. In fact, we have had some of the best results since the business was launched. We are processing more new business cases in a shorter time, and our platform has more functionality to support advisors. We continually improve and simplify our offering to be as relevant to our clients as possible. For example, we will soon also launch the single asset class offshore MGIM funds in South Africa. Where most competitors have downscaled and consolidated, we have expanded to grow our footprint and our expertise. MGIM's acquisition of Liverpool-based Seneca was a case study in successfully conducting legal matters virtually, from the initial discussions to finalizing the due diligence and other negotiations. Everything happened online. Throughout the year, there was an increased appetite for offshore investments from clients and advisors alike. Clients' needs varied from wanting to protect against the currency fluctuations or looking to emigrate or merely wanting to broaden their investment horizons. Today, we live in a global village and clients are open to more opportunities than before. All the opportunities and choices do not automatically make it easy to invest globally. Not many clients are comfortable or know where to go. This is once again why advisors are so important. Guiding clients to structuring offshore investments while avoiding the pitfalls that can lead to adverse outcomes or suboptimal investments is crucial to achieve investment success. That's where Momentum Investments, as a global partner, helps to guide clients and advisors through this journey. Advisors need the expertise and partners to leverage off to fulfill the invaluable role of making clients comfortable in their investment decisions and to help them achieve their goals. Our research showed that as humans, emotions drive the decisions we make, mostly without our knowing. Here, the advisor's job is to help clients understand that doing nothing when everyone else is doing something could be the best strategy to follow. Investors don't need to pay more for making irrational decisions when fear and anxiety or greed drives everyone else to do so. Through our Noise and Investment Advice study in partnership with Oxford Risk, we aim to help guide you as advisors to manage your clients' expectations during market turmoil. To combat investment noise that affects decision making, and most importantly, to realize that although we have never experienced anything like COVID-19 before in any of our lifetimes, the market still reacted the same, and we need to avoid the thought that this time it's different. Through the Global Matters session, we want to equip you to have quality offshore discussions with your clients and avoid unnecessary noise derailing your clients' investment plans. The discussions don't stop here. Remember to keep close to our Global Matters portals for more information. For ease of reference, you will find more content on our website, regular WhatsApp updates and email communication to keep you in the know. And just a slight correction to what Ray said. I'm not actually in studio with him and Kapil in Johannesburg, but I'm joining you from Cape Town. Yes, I know, it looks as if I'm standing right there with them. I'm amazed, as I'm sure you are, that this new technology where we can create seamless interaction from across the country and the world. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you find the discussions valuable and enjoy your time.